Hello YouTubers, today I'm doing unboxing of a microphone that I picked up. This is a Blue Yeti. I guess they're good microphones from what I understand. I don't really want to go cordless and have to worry about batteries and I'd rather just go wired. So I picked this one up. This one comes with Overwatch. I don't know what that is, a game or something. I really don't know, I'll tell you the truth. But uh I guess really creative, I don't know, advertising on the back here. From what I understand, tells you different directions you could do the mic, all the different stuff it does. Conference calls, vocals, singing, gaming, streaming. I don't know. It's just funny the icons. Makes you want to laugh. So whoever did that was pretty creative, I guess. So I guess all the features. So I guess this works with PC, Windows 7, 10, and Mac. This is revision 1. So I guess these were manufactured in 2018. But master volume, mute button. And a stand. So this is again mounted overhead, but I guess that's all the different directions of the microphones. There's 3 of them. So you can get all surrounding or different directions, which is pretty cool. So I mean, I heard some pretty good reviews about this stuff. I mean, I watched a little bit, a couple videos and stuff. And they sound pretty good. I guess we take it out this way. Set the box to the side. Yes, that's my code, so I'll save that and save that other thing. So you get a USB. That's the old like USBs. Wonder why they would use that. So we got an instruction manual. Like, we're not gonna read that, of course. There she goes. First thoughts, pretty huge mic. It's pretty heavy too. I don't know if that's the stand or just the microphone or what. Alright, there's nothing else in there. I guess you can take this off the stand, use it as a different mic. I don't know what that is. Supposed to be a plug or something? I guess it's jammed in there. I don't know. So for headphones, that's pretty nice. Tighten these up. Now the volume control. I'd say they should do a little bit better quality on that. At least metal, you know, I mean, you're gonna make the whole thing aluminum and all aluminum, but it have plastic ends on it. I would say go metal with this stuff here, metal washers, and a metal knob, and a metal mute button. But who knows? Maybe that's something to do with the noise. If you don't hear it in the microphone, I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty nice. The microphone itself seems a little light. The stand is what's all the weight. So if we could disconnect this, take it off the stand. Let's do that. I kind of want to feel the weight of the microphone. Seems a little heavy. So if you want to put it on like a stand, a different stand up from the ground, or overhang it, which that's probably what I'm going to do. Gotta get these plastic inserts the right way. Yeah. Gotta really tighten these things down. So yeah, that's basically a review of the Blue Yeti. So can't wait to hook it up, see how it sounds. Improving the quality of the videos, because using another microphone just it's not working anymore. Getting less quality out of it, so time to upgrade the microphone. So hope you guys like this unboxing. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.